Hey guys, we made some Salisbury steak for tonight, so stay tuned for the ingredients. This was so delicious. I'll be right back.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel seductive, miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? If you have it in place on nothing, I'll take you there. I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. If you have it in place on nothing, I'll take you.
Hey guys, so we are about to make some Salisbury steak. Okay, this is about 1 pound and a quarter. 1 pound and a quarter of ground beef. I really use ground beef, but hey, what's Salisbury steak without ground beef, right? And here are all the ingredients we are going to put into our ground beef. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and season it up, and then we're going to make them into patties. I'll be right back with the ingredients we'll need for the gravy. So our meat is seasoned. I forgot to tell you, I am gonna add a little bit of Creole seasoning to this. I didn't use too much of the pink Himalayan salt. And then we do need to get our 1/4 cup or less than that of the panko breadcrumbs. So, just a little, just to add a little something to it, okay guys? And so let me go ahead and add in, you know I don't like mushroom, so we just gonna eyeball it, okay? And work it in. There we go. That looked like enough to me, right? So you're gonna go ahead and work it in. So I'm gonna do that and then I'll be right back. All right, so we done formed the patties. I sprinkled a little bit of Creole seasoning on top. And now we're gonna put some oil in a pan and get it done. All right, so we have some extra virgin olive oil in the pan. So I am going to start placing our patties in here and brown them up on each side, and we're going to let them cook for about 5 to 7 minutes each side because we want to make sure they're cooked nicely, well done in the inside and in the outside, on the outside. Alright, so I'm gonna let these cook and I'll be right back. Here are the ingredients we're using. I'm not using beef broth. You can use chicken broth and you can use chicken broth. Okay, and this is for our gravy. As you can see, our patties are ready. I sliced up some onions. I have some butter in a saucepan. And we're gonna saute them and remove them and set them to the side. I'm just gonna lightly season it with some parsley and some Himalayan pink salt. Okay, so about 2 minutes to 3 minutes. Be right back. So we're gonna use 2 cups of chicken broth. So we're only gonna add, and we have 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour there. So we're only gonna add 1 cup of chicken broth to the flour and blend it together to make our gravy. So we let the grease cool down a little bit. So we're using that same oil. And we are about to pour in 1 cup of the chicken broth. All right, so let's add 1 cup. Okay. And so we're going to bring this up to a high simmer boil. And then we're gonna take our mixture that we got here, okay? And we're gonna add that into there once it comes up to a boil. Okay. And so we wanna get all that good stuff up from the bottom. Okay. So slowly add, and then we're going to stir. So we don't want it to clump up at all, guys. We don't want it to get clumpy. See? So that's why we're going to slowly work this in. I don't want no clumpy gravy. No sir, no ma'am. We're just going to keep working it down. As we continue to layer in. Ooh. Look. Working with one hand in here, y'all. Bear with me. We're going to get this gravy cooking right. Then we're going to come in with our garlic and onions, our W sauce, ketchup, and we'll taste it before we add any kind of salt. Be right back. All right. Here we go. That gravy's looking and smelling delicious in here. And what you're looking for is you want to cook out that flour, get it to the right consistency that you're looking for. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for right in there. Okay, guys. So now we're going to get our onions in here and go ahead and add our W sauce. And a little ketchup, just a little. So, you don't want too much W sauce, just a little bit. And taste as you are seasoning up your gravy, okay? Before you start adding all the extra stuff into your gravy. All right, so about one teaspoon of ketchup and probably half a teaspoon of the W sauce, Worcestershire sauce, okay? And then salt and pepper to taste. As I said, I taste mine. I don't think I want any more salt. My steak burgers are well seasoned. Our onions is good, which I'm about to add to here, our sauteed onions. And so I don't like salty food, okay? So we're gonna get our onions in here and get everything mixed up. Be right back. This is what I'm saying. We got our onions in here. Everything is smelling and looking delicious, guys. Look at that gravy. Don't that gravy look good? Oh my. Oh yes. Got the onions. So now I'm gonna turn it down low. So I did medium high when I first put in the 1 cup of chicken broth. So now I turn this down low, and we're going to add the burgers, the steak burgers in. Okay. Boop. And then we're going to let these smother down in. Oh yes. Y'all ready? I know I am. Guys, I'm so ready to eat. And we're gonna let these cook down for about a good probably 10 minutes or less, because the burgers are well done. Okay, I'll be right back. Oh Lord, it smells so delicious, guys. It really does. I thought I was recording, guys, when I was breaking off a piece. And so let me let them see this deliciousness, okay? Yeah. And it's cooked. Well done. Let's go in for a taste. Delicious, guys. Gotta try this. Okay, guys, there we have it. We got some green beans. We got those good old potatoes with the green pepper, red peppers, and all that good stuff. With that nice old gravy. Salisbury steak, y'all. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please give me a thumbs up and share me out and leave me a comment down below. And let me know what you think about this video. Subscribe to the channel. And as I always say, I love you, stay blessed, and peace out. Later.